guys, this is the Alienware M17 on the left and Alienware Area 51M on the right. You can see the box on the right is a little bigger, but on the side they're both pretty much the same width, thickness. The Alienware Area 51 is a little bit bigger, but very small. It's basically the same thickness. But the box overall, they're both 17-inch laptop, but they actually, Alienware Area 51 is bigger and heavier. I weighed them. The M17 is 12.8 pound, and the Area 51 on the right is 16.2 pound. So one is 12.8 pound on M17, and Area 51 is 16.2 pound. So here we go. I'm gonna put the box down. I'm gonna open it up so you can see what it looks like. So here we go. Second here. Here's the M17, and here's the Area 51. Area 51, M17. Yeah, let me do both side by side so you guys can see what it looked like. So this one, it's a lunar light, and this one, it's the dark side of the moon, which is black. If you do get them, they actually, believe it or not, they're actually the same price. The M17, it's i7. The Area 51, it's i9 CPU. So it's actually $350 more. But if I get an i7, it's actually the same price, same exact price. So I would get the Area 51 just because it's better laptop. It's actually more heavier. It's sturdy. It's actually more sturdy, and it's a beautiful laptop. So I'll show you what it looks like here inside. It's the laptop M17. Here's the thickness of it. Let's see. It's gonna be a power bar here. You got two power bar. You got one here, and you got the second one here, which is a little smaller. It's a little bigger there. There's a power bar there. Actually, let me close it up that way. Make it easier. That's the difference between the two there. Alright, so here's M17, and here's Area 51. That's what it looked like in the back. So I ordered this 5 days ago, and it's already here. That's how fast it was. The M17 took a little longer. Took more than 5 days. Took I think it's like 10 days. This one took 5 days. 5 days to come. This is the top of the line Area 51 laptop. The only difference is I got it with the 16 gigabyte of memory instead of 64 max, because I actually like to open things up and play with it and things. So I actually, and plus it's cheaper to buy the 64 memory from Amazon and kind of stick it in. So I'm gonna be doing that. So there you go. That's what it looks like. It's what it looks like. Actually, I'm gonna turn this way. I'm gonna open up both up at the same time. You can see what it looks like. Here's the package. Put it inside there. I mean, they both have the same sticker packaging label since 1996. I own Alienware over the years and I love them. A piece of art to me. So let me open it up. Actually, here, let me do a side for you. Actually, I should put them side by side so you can see what it looks like. Alright, here's a side by side. You can see the thickness. This one is much thinner. It's about half as thin instead of Area 51. It's the front. And here's the side, this other side. And this other one. And here's the back. Here's the other back. Let me open it up. Actually, I want to show you what it looked like. Flip this over. Flip this over. Show you the honeycomb. This honeycomb, the way they made it, is much more nicer than the M17. Look at this one. Look at M17. It's just flat. It's not. It doesn't look. It's just like 2Ds almost. And here's a 3D honeycomb. All right. Now I'm gonna flip the laptop over. Open it up. Let's check it out. If you look at the side, you can see this one's a little wider. Here we go. Here we go. Area 51 and M17. M17 on the left. I'm gonna fire it up. Actually, I'm gonna show you what the keyboard look like. This is the white version, and this is the darker version. I found that the black version is actually better. With the LED, it's showing up more, and it's there's contrast in it. The keyboard, look, you can see it's just beautiful. And it's sturdy. Here's the M17. It's sturdy too, but it's not as, I mean, the keyboard is just flat. See how it's like a 2Ds almost? It's just flat right here. And look at the G on here. It is a curve. It's like a, it's beautiful. And the power is on the right hand side here on M17. The power here in the middle on the Area 51. This one light up. This one does not light up, and it doesn't have buttons like the other one. You know, it just you click it there on the mouse pad. Here, you use the button, which is so much better. I have so much problem with this because when I push the, when I use and push the button, I run into problem. You know, so here's the one. I'm gonna fire it up. You can see what it looks like. Here we go. Here's what it looks like, guys. I actually set it up earlier, so I'm gonna log in. There you go. You can see the light up. See the light came on right there. So here we go. There you go, guys. So there it is. Keyboard. It's pretty fast. Just not as. So one. So this one it's i7, and this one is i9, top of the line. There's the two laptops there together. And I love this because it has a macro key right here. This one doesn't have any macro keys. It's much lighter though. It's a much lighter laptop. So here's what it looks like. And here's what the other one looks like. Just love the keyboard. Very nice. Here's what it looks like on the side. So yeah, if you guys go get one, I would. If you guys go get one, I would suggest you go get the on Dell website right now. This one is actually same price, believe it or not. It's 17% off, save you about $700 bucks. So if you get this one, so I would go on the website and get the Alienware Area 51. Some people they like this. Because it's more portable, you can take it with you anywhere, it's lighter. This one is a little heavier, but a lot of power packed into this. And I found the operating system, even though they're the same, I found some issues with this. There was some software I installed and I had problem with it, so. But this one I didn't have problem with it. So I don't know, it's supposed to be the same operating system. They're both Windows Pro, Windows 10 Pro. But this one didn't give me any problem. This one, when I installed the same Oracle software or an Oracle database, I had a problem with it. So I don't know if that's related, but yeah. Thank you. Enjoy. Yo, last look. Beautiful laptop, guys. Get Area 51. My recommendation.